Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the settings button to open them. From here let's slide down and pick the camera. Here we get access to some advanced camera settings and we have scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on like that as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on, because when you have this you can scan QR codes by putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it, so this is really easy. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.